Hi folks, and welcome to the Contract Law Post-it Note for this week. We are at week 9 already, which is 75% of the way through the unit. Wow, doesn't time fly when you're having fun? I promised you in week 1 in this unit we'd have some fun, and I suppose it's now appropriate that we are doing misrepresentation this week. Bit of a craggy little area of law, misrepresentation. A lot of twists and turns and elements and all sorts of things to get across. One of my favourites is the bars to rescission, which you'll need to also get across this week. But despite the complications of the common law action, we also now have the statutory action for misleading or deceptive conduct. Much friendlier and probably, I'd hazard a guess, the practitioners go to when there has been some kind of misrepresentation in the wings. So you'll need to get across both the common law and the statutory versions of actions for naughtiness by way of misrepresentation. There's not a whole lot really more to say about that. I'll leave you to explore the videos on your own. However, some admin stuff this week. I will flag that you'll be getting your marks for the written assignment back next week. There are quite a number of extensions, so I won't be able to put up the answer guide just yet. So you'll have to make do with your feedback just for the moment until I can get the answer guide up, and then we can have a good old discussion about the written assignment. So that should be hopefully next Tuesday. I think I've already mentioned my friend and colleague Jo Bird will be marking a goodly swag of these assignments. So she's very experienced and has been teaching contract law for many years. So you'll have either me, Mark, or Jo. Either way, you'll be getting some decent feedback. And once I've put up the answer guide, like I said, we can certainly have a debrief about that. The other thing that's coming up next week is the second quiz. So don't forget to engage with that. Get onto Moodle, make sure you know your times that it opens, and all of that kind of stuff. Have all your books organised and everything ready nearby so that you can complete the quiz in the allocated time frame. Apart from that, on the horizon, slightly more distantly, we have the reflective assignment. The instruction sheet for that is now up, so you'll need to be engaging on Teams in order to get some material for you to write about in that reflective assignment. It is about engagement with your colleagues, your peers. It is about demonstrating that you can helpfully interact and communicate your ideas well, either in a tutorial or in an interaction on Teams. So please do start jumping in and giving yourself some material to write about. For those asynchronous students that haven't been jumping on Teams, I therefore would recommend that you start to do so. So have a look at Moodle, have a look at the due date for that, and then that's the last assignment that you will have before we get to the end of term paper. So the end of term paper we will discuss in much more detail in week 12, but until then, if you have any queries or questions, just pop something on Teams or send me an email. Other than that, I hope to see you in the tutorial this evening. Thanks, guys. Bye.